Open the search menu, type WS Reset, and select it to run the reset command. Wait for the process to complete. If the issue persists, open the search menu, type Microsoft Store, right-click the Microsoft Store app, and select App Settings. Scroll down to the Reset section. First, select Repair. If it's still not working, select Reset. This will delete app data, including preferences and sign-in info. If the problem continues, open the search menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt, type sfc/scano and press Enter to run a system scan. Once the scan completes, restart your computer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.